Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can access the coupon management report of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra application. First of all, click on coupon management in the menu. We can see this coupon management report for the depositors, Jilla and Prant. By default, we see the report for the depositors. So let's talk about the coupon management report for depositors first. So in this report, we can see the details related to coupons of the depositors, like the depositor's name, mobile number, their unique ID, number of coupons or receipts issued to the depositors, number of coupons or receipts used by these depositors, that is how many coupons or receipts these depositors have distributed. Out of these issued coupons and receipts, how many coupons and receipts are still left in balance that are not distributed, and out of these coupons which are left in balance, how many coupons or receipts have been refunded to the Jilla. So after the end of the Abhiyan, these depositors can return back the coupons or receipts to the Jilla, and afterwards it can be handled in the application by clicking on this return over here. In this return, we can add the information of the number of coupons or receipts returned. We can see the balance coupon or receipts over here. Like we have 60 coupons of 10 rupees, 85 coupons of 100 rupees and 26 coupons of 1000 rupees. So out of these, how many coupons are needed to be refunded? Let's say 50 coupons of rupees 10 has to be refunded, and 65 coupons of 100 rupees needs to be refunded, and 20 coupons of 1000 rupees has to be refunded. After entering these details, we will click on submit, and now we can see that the coupons are successfully returned, and as we can see now the balance coupon or receipts are updated. Earlier we had 60 coupons of 10 rupees, now we have left with 10 coupons of 10 rupees, and earlier we had 85 coupons of 100 rupees, now we have 20 coupons of 100 rupees left, and we had 26 coupons of 1000 rupees, now we are left with 6 coupons of 1000 rupees. So in this way the coupons can be refunded. Now let's talk about the coupon management report for Jilla. In this report, the details which we can see are almost similar to that of the depositor. Here also we can see the name of the Jilla admin or user, their mobile number, unique ID, number of coupons or receipts issued to them by the Prant. Out of these issued coupons, how many coupons or receipts they have distributed, how many coupons or receipts they have left in balance, and how many coupons or receipts they have refunded. So like depositors, at the end of the Abhiyan, Jilla admins or Jilla users can also return the coupons which are left with them to the Prant. For that, we need to click on return over here, and as we saw for the depositors, we can enter the details of the coupons here and click on submit, and in this way we can update the refunded coupons. Jilla also has one provision, that is, at any time during the Abhiyan, if there is a requirement of more coupons or receipts, we can click on add over here, and we can enter the details of the coupons, like how many coupons of 10 rupees, 100 rupees and 1000 rupees are issued to the Jilla during the Abhiyan, like 100 coupons of 10 rupees, 80 coupons of 100 rupees and 50 coupons of 1000 rupees are issued to this Jilla admin during the Abhiyan. These are the extra coupons issued to this user. So we will enter this detail and click on submit. And now we can see the balance coupon or receipt details have been updated. So in this way we can see the details of the JILA admins and JILA users. Now for the coupon management report for Prant, all the details are similar to that of the depositors in JILA. That is the Prant admin or Prant user's name, mobile number, ID, number of coupons or receipts issued. Out of these, how many coupons and receipts are distributed, how many coupons or receipts are left in balance, and how many coupons or receipts are refunded out of these balanced coupons and receipts. Prant also has the two provisions, that is they can return the coupons at the end of the Abhiyan, or they can add the information of the coupons receipt in the middle of the Abhiyan. So in this way we can access the coupon management report of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra application. Thank you.